Alright, these are the elevators here at the Hampton Inn by Hilton, Monterrey, Galerías in Monterrey, Mexico. These are Mitsubishi. And these elevators were first Dover Impulse, and then a few years later, this hotel got renovated, and now it got modernized into a Mitsubishi. Look in the mirror. Hey, let's go up to 7, and door close button works. There's the indicator blinking. Here at 7, button goes out. This is the top floor here. All right, down the lobby. I'm gonna try to get the other one. Meanwhile, let's get a cab view. We like this Mitsubishi elevator. And that piece of floor is messed up. Here are the fixers, and there's the indicator. Send that one away. All right, and right there is the vending machine and the ice machine. They're both here, so we're gonna let this one go. We now got this one. And look again, hello, 7. Here we go up again. Here we're at 7 again. All right, back down the lobby. We'll end it there. And right there's the fire alarm, and right there are the guest rooms. There's also a fire sprinkler and the smoke detector. So let's get the cab view now. Again, your nice Mitsubishi elevator. Here are the fixers, and there's the indicator. And here right back at the lobby again, and there's the indicator blinking. I'll try to read that. Alright. I have to point the camera away because. So, just let's watch it go now. So, there's the one parked on the 7th floor. So, alright. Well, alright. There's Big Brother, by the way. So, anyways, there it goes, and that's it.